Okay, so let's go through your homework. Page 5 of your workbook. Question number 1. What is computer software? I hope you've written computer software is the programs that instruct the computer what to do. Okay, so write down the 2 categories of software. Question number 2. The first category can be operating system. And what are operating system? It can be Windows or the Mac OS for Apple devices. Okay, so the second one would be the application software, or widely known as apps. Okay, so you download apps to be able to carry out specific user tasks. Okay, so application software is the second category of software. Okay, I'll give you some time to copy down your work or do your corrections. Okay, question number 3 requires you use the helping words to fill in the blanks. So the functions of an operating system, OS, is to support the running of other computer programs. Okay, so you can use the word programs and software interchangeably, but right now in the helping words there are no word software. Okay, so we use programs. So part B, to control. So the function of an operating system is to control the computer's resources. So the computer will know how much memory is allocated for individual software. Okay, how much storage space is catered for individual files. Okay, next is to provide interface for users to interact with the computer. Okay, so the fact that I can enter a word into the screen is because it is an interface for me to click text and I can type. Okay, so and the words will appear. So this is an interface. Okay, so part D, to manage the input and output devices of the computer. So the operating system will know what devices are connected to the computer. So devices, input devices like the mouse, the keyboard, output devices like the printer and the monitor. Okay, so it will know if it is functioned correctly. Okay, question number 4. We are to write down the most appropriate application software to be used. Now, the application software to be used, we are not asking for the name of the software. Okay, you do not need to know the name of the software. For software that we use in our subject CPA, you will need to know the name, but it is normally not asked in questions. Okay, so your answers should be a category of software. Alright, so for question number 4A, to perform calculations and create charts, you can use the spreadsheet software. So spreadsheet software will enable you to do these calculations and creating of charts. Okay, next would be to create slideshows, use application software. Use presentation software. Okay, next to create digital drawings. Okay, you can just write drawing software will be able to do that. Animations and games will require you to learn programming software. And to create brochures and letters, you can use document processing software. Alright. Okay, I'll give you some time to copy down or to make do your corrections. So for question number 5, on the next page, identify each of the following features of a graphical user interface known as GUI shown below. So part A, this is the mouse pointer and the palm of the hand. So it is the pointer system. Okay, so these are pointers. Okay, so for part B, when you click File Explorer, you will see a window popping up. So these are the windows. Next, okay, when you click the Windows button on the bottom left of your screen, you will see a menu coming up. And finally, these are icons for you to double click to open the file. Okay, so all these 4 items, pointers, windows, menu, and icons, are ways which graphical user interface interact with the user. Okay, so we've come to the end of page 6. Okay, we have now finished going through your homework. So please spend another 8 minutes or so to do page 7 and page 8 of your workbook now.